Yo, what's up, ladies and gents? This is day 2 in Kentucky. On a sound check right now. Yo, man, I hope you're having a good day, man. I love to take my life and, always document my life while I'm on tour. I'm on tour with MC Hammer right now. Much love to everyone out there. Y'all follow me. Let's go, man. Yeah, you know, the time, like always. Dre right there. Yep. We got Ron right here. The old man jiggle sometimes, but you know.
Oh, what's happening?
What's up, man?
Which one is that? Is that a new one?
Yes, the HD Minnow.
Oh, that's the one you already have. Right?
Yep, I already have. Yeah, sound check time. It's gonna be good for us right here. What's going down? We're in Kentucky, man. See all these microphones, man? 1 background singer, 2, 3, 4 background singer, 5 background singer, 6 background singers, 7 background, 8 background singers, man. So I spin like this. Stop on time, stop on a dime, hit hard, pop, boom, bow. I'm playing.
Boom, bow. You flip, I flip, I flip, you flip.
You flip, I flip, yeah.
You flip, I flip, I flip.
Flip, I flip.
Battle of the flips.
Battle of the flip, man.
Battle of the flips.
Yes.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
Oh, yeah?
Battle of the flips.
Boom.
Yeah, Marco, what's up, man? Yeah. We in Kentucky, man. We making do what it do, baby.
Yeah. Boom.
Yeah, man. Yeah, come on, Trey.
Boom. Bow. Boom. Boom. Bow. Yeah. It's going down. It's going down, baby. Another city, another state, man. Yeah, always. Hammertime, man. Pleasure Ellis. Yes. At Wingman Room. Yes. Wingman, baby. Exactly. West Coast. Yes. Make sure y'all follow him. It's Wingman. Make sure you follow him. Make sure you follow him too.
Hammertime, you have to talk about what's good, you know what I'm saying? What's good?
Yeah. Going down, homie. Follow him on Twitter too.
What's happening, man? I just put a picture up on YouTube, on Twitter, you know what I'm saying? Follow me, T-A-Y-E on Twitter, T-W-I-T-E-R.
That's
Not
it.
2 T's, 1 T. Tay on Twitter, what's happening?
Exactly, y'all. Yo, that's it.
DJ, West Coast, emergency. Hey, DJ.
Ready.
West Coast, emergency. West Coast, prepare the law.
Yo, what's up, man? I know y'all probably seen that on stage. If y'all didn't, man, that was a sneak preview of the new song, West Coast Emergency, with MC Hammer featuring Wingman, man. We out here, man. We finally made it, man.
Yeah, Wingman.
Wingman made it. We fly it in anything that you know that's airborne. I bet you we fly it.
Look, we fly it in spaceships. We fly it in UFO oil. You feel me? Like we fly it in satellites. We fly it in space rocks.
You know why? Because they're changing lanes. They fly higher than planes. Because they don't stop because they next. They fly higher than jets. Respect what I say. It's Pleasure Ellis's. No, I'm playing.
Yes.